We will discuss, after taking the inputs from all the concerned officials, because as I said, we are seeing the numbers come down, but that does not mean that we can take it easy. But of course, the numbers coming down is a positive indication. Recoveries also are going up, but as I said, it does not mean we can let our guards down. So we will see the trend, and we will see the numbers, especially numbers like the positivity rate, numbers like the hospitalization rate. Obviously, we'll also see if there's any specific growth in any areas. All those aspects we need to be examined. But all said and done, some sort of restriction will still be there. The question is where we can allow more activities to take place is the only question. But really, it's not possible for me to sit here and give that conclusion. So let's wait for the meeting, official meeting. Hopefully, in the next day or two, once we sit down, we'll take a call on what we'll do, by next week. So it'll all depend on the trend in the numbers. Unlike last time, where we just went for a complete lockdown and closure of everything, this time it was a very selective process where we tried to see how we could minimize the economic impact on the people. And therefore, to a large extent, agriculture, farming activities continued, but with restrictions. Some construction work continued with the restrictions. For some time, it closed down. We allowed the MG and RGO work to continue in certain areas with restrictions, of course. So we try to minimize the impact on the grassroots, but it's difficult times. So therefore, it's not easy for the people. We understand, but it's not also easy for the government also, though we would like to give all support. We are doing our best, and let's hope that in the times to come the situation will improve.